The Extrusion tool in Blender 3D is a fundamental modeling tool that allows you to extend or create new geometry by pulling or pushing existing faces, edges, or vertices. Here are 5 most important practical uses of the Extrusion tool in Blender. 1. Creating 3D objects. The Extrusion tool is commonly used to create 3D objects from simple shapes. For example, you can start with a basic plane or polygon and use extrusion to pull out faces and edges to form a 3D model, such as a building, a furniture piece, or a character's body. By extruding and manipulating the geometry, you can add depth and volume to your models. 2. Adding detail and complexity. Extrusion is an effective way to add detail and complexity to your models. By extruding specific parts of the geometry, such as edges or faces, you can create intricate patterns, surface decorations, or surface variations. This technique is particularly useful for architectural details, mechanical parts, or organic models that require intricate textures or surface features. 3. Creating text and logos. The Extrusion tool is invaluable for creating 3D text and logos. You can start with a text object in Blender, apply the desired font and size, and then extrude the text to give it thickness and volume. By adjusting the extrusion depth, you can control the prominence and 3D effect of the text or logo. This technique is often used in graphic design, motion graphics, and title animations. 4. Sculpting and organic modeling. Extrusion is a key tool for sculpting and organic modeling in Blender. In sculpting mode, you can use the Extrusion tool to push or pull vertices to shape organic forms, such as characters, creatures, or natural elements. This allows you to build up volume, add details, and refine the overall shape of your sculpted model. 5. Modeling complex architecture. The Extrusion tool is essential for modeling complex architectural structures. You can create walls, windows, doors, and other architectural elements by extruding faces and edges of a base shape. By extruding and manipulating the geometry, you can easily add depth, create intricate building designs, and replicate real-world architectural features accurately. These are just a few practical uses of the Extrusion tool in Blender 3D. Its versatility and flexibility make it a fundamental tool for creating and manipulating geometry, adding detail, sculpting organic forms, and modeling various objects and structures. Having understood the benefits, let us now learn how to use the Extrude tool in Blender 3D. Please watch the video till the end, having known the benefits of Extrude tool in Blender 3D. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share my channel for motivating me to make more such interesting videos. Let's get started. You can start with the default cube by pressing Shift+A, selecting Mesh, and choosing Cube from the menu. Step 2. Enter Edit mode. To access the editing tools, switch to Edit mode. You can do this by pressing the Tab key or by selecting Edit mode from the Mode drop-down menu in the top left corner of the 3D viewport. Step 3. Select faces or edges to extrude. Choose the faces or edges you want to extrude. In this example, we will select a face. Click on the cube's face to select it. You should see the selected face highlighted in orange. Step 4. Extrude the selected geometry. To perform the extrusion, press the E key or click on the Extrude tool in the left-hand toolbar. After activating the tool, you'll notice that the selected face becomes connected to the mouse cursor. Step 5. Adjust the extrusion. With the extrusion active, you can control the direction and depth of the extrusion. Move the mouse to adjust the extrusion along the normal of the face, outward or inward. Left-click to confirm the extrusion, or right-click to cancel. Step 6. Manipulate the extruded geometry. After extruding, you can further manipulate the newly created geometry. For example, you can scale it, rotate it, or translate it using the various transformation tools available in Blender. You can access these tools by pressing the S key for scaling, the R key for rotation, or the G key for translation. Step 7. Repeat the process, optional. If desired, you can repeat the extrusion process on different faces or edges of the object. Select another face or edge, press the E key to activate extrusion, and adjust the extrusion as needed. This allows you to create more complex shapes and add additional detail to your model. Step 8. Exit Edit Mode. Once you're done extruding and manipulating the geometry, you can exit Edit Mode by pressing the Tab key or by selecting Object Mode from the Mode drop-down menu. This will allow you to view and interact with the object as a whole. That's it. You have now learned how to use the Extrude tool in Blender 3D. By selecting faces or edges and extruding them, you can create new geometry, add depth and detail to your models, and shape complex objects. Experiment with different selections and extrusion techniques to achieve the desired results. Please subscribe, like, comment and share my channel for further motivating me to make more such interesting videos for you. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.